How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I just want to talk for a few minutes about how, of course, there's manipulation in crypto and how that shouldn't scare you off. We're going to talk about it here today. I'm going to turn this up a little bit louder for you because I have to be a little bit quiet. It's still morning here. I know a lot of people are wondering, first of all, is there manipulation? Second of all, they're really scared because there is manipulation and everything that's going on right now. So let's take a look at the facts here. If you guys don't mind just hitting the like button, I appreciate that. JP Morgan Chase to pay $920 million for manipulating precious metals in the treasury markets. So this is as of just about a year ago, and they had to pay almost $1 billion. Now, this is not the only time this has happened. If we take a look here, EU fines banks billions for manipulating currency prices. Now, this was not just JP Morgan this time. They slapped Barclays, RBS, Citigroup, JP Morgan, MUFG with a $1 billion fine over allegations that they worked together to manipulate the Forex market. So 5 massive banks go and manipulate the same market. Now, this is, again, not the only time. If we look here, this is a violation tracker for JP Morgan Chase. Financial offenses, 84 records of it. $32 billion worth of penalties here. Competition-related offenses, $1.8 billion. Consumer protection-related offenses, $1 billion. Government contracting-related offenses, $614 million. Employment-related offenses, $500 million. Now, this comes at the same time that we've seen JP Morgan Chase to let clients invest in Bitcoin funds. So, okay, they're willing to manipulate. They're also trying to give clients some different ways of investing in crypto. Now, is this out of the kindness of their heart? I don't think so. They're still bullish long term on Bitcoin and crypto apparently, but they're putting out articles like this, how they expect it to decline to $25,000. Now they cite something that's real here. They talk about the GBTC lockup period ending, but we see this all the time where banks are offering they're offering crypto services to their wealthier clients, and then they're going out and saying that we think Bitcoin's going to go down to this or this or this. And what we see is these massive drops, right? We see massive drops in crypto that are liquidating a lot of long positions that are on leverage. So we have a lot of these banks, and I'm not saying it's just the banks either that are manipulating. There's not really many repercussions for it as of now. I mean, heck, we've seen Elon Musk talk about all kinds of weird stuff, and he hasn't gotten in trouble, which he's not going out there and making misleading claims or anything like that. But still, we see a different level of security in the stock market than we do in crypto and manipulation. So we have all this happening. They are not the only bank that is doing this. You can see Citi is launching cryptocurrency services for some of their clients. We have Goldman Sachs, which is partnering with Galaxy Digital to trade Bitcoin futures. We had another bank, I think it was actually Citi, that launched a whole new crypto division. And honestly, these banks and the US government are just scared of what's happening. I think they're honestly scared of what's to come. I mean, El Salvador coming out and making Bitcoin legal tender, making it so that you can use that instead of US dollars. And they don't really get a portion of this like they do part of the US currency. They can't control it. It's very different. It's very different, and they're worried. So first of all, some of them are trying to get some of their wealthier clients because they're kind of buddies, right? They're the golf course types where they're buddies and they're trying to set each other up, right? You scratch my back, I scratch yours type of thing. They're trying to get them at better prices. So if JP Morgan Chase is right and they can actually get Bitcoin to fall down to 25,000, that's great. They look like they're right on their TA. They got clients in, or they're trying to get them a better price, which is good for all the wealthier clients. And people can't be too mad at them. I mean, besides the fact that they're pushing down the price because of fear, they're helping out their clients, and they were also right. So if it falls to 25,000, it's great for JP Morgan Chase. If it doesn't, that's fine. Who cares? People don't get called out when they're wrong on TA or on price predictions. So overall, there really isn't much regulation right now. I mean, and heck, this is something else we need to look at. Think about the precious metals market compared to the crypto market. Crypto market's 1.1 trillion, 1.2 trillion. Let's look at the precious metals market. It is much larger. Precious metals market cap, because just gold alone is 11.3 trillion. Silver's 1.3 or 1.4 trillion. So silver itself is bigger than all of crypto. And how many silver videos do you see? Zero. Palladium, platinum. So the thing is, there is just a massive difference in the size of the markets, and it's easier to manipulate. It's easier to spread fear. I mean, the people that are buying precious metals are probably going to hold on to them because they know enough about them. It's not really a problem. So overall, I think that we are seeing just manipulation. We're seeing manipulation in the market. Is it something to be fearful of? No. I mean, personally, I think it offers some opportunities. I think it offers opportunities that you can get in at some good prices. So at the time of this recording, let's take a look at some of the market caps, some of the prices. We have Bitcoin at 31.2 thousand, Ethereum at 1,700, BNB coin at 273. So I actually had some of my buy limits get hit last night, and I was excited. You know, I bought in. I still have some money on the sidelines, but long term. Let's talk about long term. JP Morgan's still allowing their clients to invest in Bitcoin. A lot of these other banks are still allowing clients to invest in Bitcoin. Would they be doing this if they thought that Bitcoin was going to stay at 20,000, 25,000 for the next 5 or 10 years? I don't think so. I think they're trying to spread short-term fear, and they can still say to their clients, yeah, we think it's going to hit 25,000, but after that, we think it's going to go to 100 or whatever they think. So it doesn't really hurt them. I mean, if any of their clients ask, they don't have to say, yeah, we're just trying to manipulate. They can say, no, we think it should be fine by the time that you invest in it. So long term, they're trying to get in at some good prices, because a lot of these different groups, like Goldman Sachs, thinks that they are going to have some massive numbers. So if we actually look here, Goldman Sachs, I've done a video on it before. They, based on what they were saying in one of their papers, they thought a $287 Cardano price and $160,000 Ethereum price by 2025. So if you guys want to see that video, I'll put it on the end screen, but those are just massive numbers to hit. Now, I don't know if we'll actually get there, but if we do, we're going to be very rich. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Thank you for hitting the like button. If you guys want, you can check out the link down below to Voyager Digital. You can actually get some free money when you sign up and deposit $100 on their platform. They pay good interest rates, so definitely check that out down below if you're interested. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.